What type of work do you do, and what type of science do you do?
So my role at Mary Kay is to lead the Global Research and Development Organization. So all of these fantastic women scientists are on my team. And we are in charge of creating and developing all of the products in Mary Kay's portfolio. And we have to make sure that they have a benefit, that they're safe, with good quality, can be allowed in every country we sell in, and then remain stable throughout the entire time they're available for our consumers.
What made you want to become a scientist?
I knew I wanted to become a scientist during my 10th grade year of high school. I was a part of a chemistry class, and I absolutely fell in love with science then.
Who inspired you to be a scientist?
My mother inspired me to be a scientist. When I was your age, she decided to go back to school and completely reinvented herself and became a scientist herself.
When did you decide you wanted to work in science?
I knew that I wanted to work in science when I got my first part-time job in science, and that was working in a research lab on cotton.
When you were a kid, did you like science?
When I was a child, I loved science. Biology, or so all things, the science of life, I loved. Had an insatiable curiosity to learn how things worked. So yes, I loved science.
How long does it take to make a lipstick?
Well, in reality, the time to make a product, actually make it on the line, is pretty quick. It's a day. But what you don't know is what goes into creating that lipstick. It's actually several years of work. We have to know what color of the lipstick, what consumers want the lipstick, how it feels on their skin, and whether it's actually stable and safe for the consumers to use. So while once we go in the plant, it takes a day to make it, the work that my team does is actually a couple of years. If you think about it, science is the basis for so many different industries. We happen to work in cosmetics and beauty, but anything you have passion about, chances are there's science somewhere behind it.